gift of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you see this particular video. Today guys, I'm going to teach you another secret today you need to know. I make a similar video on it when I started this YouTube channel. That's last year. My YouTube is just new, and a lot of people complain to me that the background music was loud. I should make the music video. So I'm going to teach you that, and I'll just brief on that, and I'll also teach you one more thing about it. So all you are going to need for this is just key, add salt. Yes, all you are going to need on this is just key, add salt, and the candle. Yes, green candle is optional. So the main item is just the key, add the salt. So the green candle is optional. Okay, so the first thing is that if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to hit that subscription button, turn up that notification bell, that small bell, so that you will not miss other important videos from me. Okay, and anything you don't understand in this video, ask question in the comment section. I will get back to you. I don't skip any part of this video so that you will not miss important information. Okay guys, let's go to today's topic. Because you are going to need the padlock, a new padlock precisely, not the one they have used before, or not the one anybody have opened. So when you go to where they are selling padlock, please do not allow them to test it for you. Just pick the padlock you want, then just go with it, don't open it. Okay, so once you get home with this padlock, now you might ask, what are we going to do? What is this video is all about? This video is how to unlock your glory, as in how to unlock favor, how to unlock mercy, how to unlock blessings, anything at all you want to unlock. This video is what this video is all about. Yes, anything at all you wanna unlock, this video is for you. Okay, this spell is for you. Okay, once you've gotten the key, you've gotten your green candle, which is optional. If you could not get the green candle, there's no problem. But if you get green candle, perfect. Then you get your salt. Okay, then get salt, enough salt. Okay, you are going to use that salt to make a cycle. Once you make a cycle with that salt, then on your green candle, then get your new key, your new padlock. Okay, after you have got your new padlock, then you use that. Remember, use the salt to make a cycle on the ground. Then you on your green candle. After you've on your green candle, close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. After you have closed your eyes, if it is love you want, feel that love. Just imagine the person you want and how you want that person to be. If it is money, imagine, see the money coming to you. Make a plan of what you are going to do with the money. So stay there for a while, have your fun while imagining. Remember, imagination can take you anywhere, okay, you want to be at the moment. So after then, remember the candle is on, okay? Then you hold the padlock with your two hands. Okay, then you start making your prayer, everything you want. It doesn't mean you must use one padlock for one thing, so you can use one padlock for multiple. So you keep making the prayer this way. Wherever it is that enemy have locked, whatever it is that the enemy have locked, today I'm opening it. I want favor, I want mercy, I want blessing, I want a good husband, I want a good wife, I want this, I want that, I want promotion. As I'm speaking on this key, and so shall it be. And anytime anybody open this padlock, so will all that requested will be open. I'm not the one to open it, but whoever is going to open it, definitely all I requested for must be granted, as so shall it be. The universe said, ask shall be given. I'm taking you by your words. I'm asking, let it be. And remember, everything work with your faith, okay? And nothing work without the permission of the Creator, God Almighty. So after you have made that prayers, while the candle is still burning, okay, you can do this like early, very, very early in the morning, so that because you need to go out, like you can wake up around 4, 5 in the morning when you're not talking to anyone, because you need to go out, give out that key. So take that key. You are not going to remove you are not going to remove the seed. Not going to remove the key, okay? So you take that padlock, don't remove the keys. So take that padlock, go and keep it anywhere, like in a busy place where anybody can see it. Remember, anybody see a new padlock, the first thing the person will do is to test it to see if it is working. So don't be scared if somebody is going to open it or not. definitely open it. Because even if it is you, if you should see a new padlock now with key on it, the first thing you need to do is for you to test it. And once the person open it, it's done, it's done. Okay, once the person open it, it's done, it's done. And you might ask, how many candles do I need? You can use one, you can make use of one candle, you can make use of two candle. Sorry, you can make use of one candle, you can make use of three candles, you can make use of five candles, you can make use of seven candles, you can make use of 11 candles. So it should be numbers that cannot be divided by 2. So if you could not get a green candle, it's okay, you can use white as a substitute. Okay, if you could not get a green candle, you can make use of white candle. Okay, I want you guys to try this and get back to me. This I know it worked perfectly very well. Okay, and have faith, and God shall grant your wishes. The best gift God has ever given to mankind is our brain, is our mind. But most of you don't know how to use it. Your mind is like a plain guiding. Either you plant on it what you want, or others will plant what they want, or unwanted weed will grow there. So learn to use your mind constructively. Okay, either you are using your mind to work for you, or you are using your mind to work against you. Always think of what you want, not what you don't want. That is why most of you have a strong willpower, but you are using it to work against you. That's why when you keep thinking of evil, that evil must surface. When you keep thinking of bad thing come to you, bad thing will surface. So learn to use your mind instead of your mind to use you. Okay? Anything you don't understand, ask question. I will get back to you.